A very good morning to all of you. In the last video, we had discussed how to create a recipient list and then inserting a merged fields. Today, we will start with viewing the merged data. We had merged the data source with the main document using the merged field. Today we will discuss the steps using which we can view the merged data. Means the data source, the mailing list has been merged with the main document. What is the main document? Here the main document is letter. You can check whether Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merged fields or not by viewing it on the screen. You can check whether Microsoft has picked up the data source according to the merged fields. For example, if the merged field is first name, that it should pick the data of merge field first name from the data source field first name. If the merged field is address, then it should be related to the address field of the data source. We can view it on the screen. Click on the preview results button in the preview results group on the mailings tab. You can click on the mailing tab firstly and then click on preview results button in the preview results group, or click the next preview your letters wizard step under step 4 of 6 section. So first step is to choose the document. Second step is to choose the setup for the document. Third step is to write your letter and then insert the merged field. Next step is preview your letters. You can simply click on this step to view whether the Microsoft Word has picked up the data source perfectly, or you can click on the mailings tab and then choose preview results button from the preview results group. Two options, you can use the one according to your convenience. The first record will be displayed. Click on the next record button in the preview results group to view the next record of the data source. Firstly, first record will be displayed. To view the next record, click on the next record button. See, this is the recipient 1, and here first recipient information from the data source is linked with the main document. First name, last name, address, city, title, and then the last name. Matter will remain same. Only the merged fields will be linked to the fields of the data source and it will change, not the matter that you are sending to your friends or to your colleagues. When you click on next button, the second record will be displayed, and then click on next to view the records of your mailing list. Firstly, first record will be displayed. To view the next record, click on next record button and you can view the next record. Clear? To view the merged data, you can click on either next preview your letter wizard step under step 4 of step 6, or you can click on mailing step and then choose the preview results button in the preview results group and view the preview of the Microsoft Word letter that you had typed to merge with the merged fields. Let's know more. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Example, name, address, city. This is the data source that contain here name, address, city. So field is a column. This is the column in a data source that contain one type of information. In name column only names will be written. In address column only addresses will be included. In city column only a city will be specified. So field is a column in a data source that contains only one type of information. Name contain only names. Next is record is a row of a data sheet. Number of fields make one record. Record is a row in a data sheet. This is a row. Here you can write name, address and city. This make a record. This single entry will be a record, and then next entry will be second record. Record is a row of a data sheet and a number of fields make one record. Here name field, address field, city one field. It will make a single record. Quick view. Press tab key to move between fields while typing the information. When you are typing information here, you can, when you enter the name, then press tab key, you will move to the address field. Then press tab key and then move to the city field. To move between fields, you can use the tab key while typing the information into the data source. Let's know more. The data source can be created in Word 2016 database file, or it can be created in another application like Excel 2016 or Access 2016. So data source can be created in Word 2016 database file as well as in Excel 2016 or Access 2016. Recipient of a mail merge usually come from a list of names and data in an existing list like Excel spreadsheet or even from the Outlook contacts. Next is printing the letter. Now you have typed the letter, created the data source and then merge it with the help of a merged field and also view the merged data. If it is perfect, your address merged fields are similar to the fields in the data source, entry is up to date, then you can print these letters. You can take the printout of your letter with the merged data of your data source. Here, this is the merged data with the data source. Merged data of your data source. This is a letter and you are merging it with the data source with the help of a merged field. In order to print the letters, follow the given steps. Click on the Finish and Merge button in the Finish group on the Mailings tab. Select the Print Document option from the drop-down menu. From the Mailings tab, click on Finish and Merge button in the Finish group and then select the Print Document option from the drop-down menu. When you click on Finish and Merge button, drop-down menu appears. From this menu, choose the Print Document option. Or click on Next, complete the Merge Wizard step under step 5 of 6 section in the task pane and then click on Print option under Merge section. Second way is in step 5, next complete the merge step will appear. Click on it and then choose the Print option under the Merge section. The Merge to Printer dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and then click OK. After defining the print settings of the letter and then click on OK, the selected records will be printed separately along with the letter. The records that you had selected in the data source will be printed separately along with the letter. Letter will remain same, only the records will be changed that are merged with the letter with the help of the merged fields. Word 2013. In Word 2013 provides similar options to create a mail merge document by selecting the Start Mail Merge option from the Mailings tab. You can also create a mail merge document in Word 2013 using the Mailings tab and Start Mail Merge option that we had done in Word 2016. Thank you.